Hey guys, it's Tennis Correcto here. This is 7 balls S here game. I just superpowers here. I can get Piccolo here, Goku, and another Goku, Vegeta, the bad guy, and then there's Frieza. There's this other Goku. This one is, I don't know what's the name. I think Cell. Yeah, I think so. And then this is a different kind of Goku. I have never seen this Goku before. Now let's see. This Goku is literally Black Goku. And this is the different kind of Goku. And this is the blue Goku. Actually, this is the normal form. Yeah. Okay, time to see what we got. Oh, the Black Goku. Okay, let's do the unboxing now. Okay, I got the crush tape off. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is all the crush tape. Okay, so this here's the back of it. Here's the back. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at it. Look, it's a Goku thing. Like this Goku here. The hair thing. This is thing. It's a bit oily. I don't know why. And look at the eyes. Look at them. Okay, it looks like he's holding like one of those things. Okay, okay, I got the plastic. This is what the plastic looks like. Yeah. Just put these things out. Okay, now let's see this Goku figure. Now let's see this Goku figure. So look at it. This is the head of the Goku. Can turn. Oh, it can turn all the way. Now it's like oily here. And then here's the thing to like shoot out at you, like be a noob, like reverse. And you just like attack. It's like Kamehameha. Kamehameha. And then I got this thing that I don't know which one can turn. Is it just the head or is it also the body? That's like both other, turning. Well, if you're new to the channel, you can just subscribe if you like, and if you like, it's down below, down below the red button. And also, if you like this video, you can comment what you want to see, and then you can also like the video if you like it. Wait, did I repeat that? I don't know. I can't remember. And if the red button would say subscribe to it. Okay, not really just subscribe to it, but just smash that like button. Like, but then this is the like button, and this is your hand. Smashed. So yeah, this is the video. Peace out.